So these are some really unique beans called Moro beans. They have a really unique color. They almost look like coffee beans. I wanted to show you how beautiful they are. Going to make a stew with these with some duck organs. Really healthy, wholesome. Rancho Gordo has a lot of heirloom rare beans, and I'm never disappointed with what they have. Mashaallah. Okay, so I'm going to show you that little one here is the heart right here. The heart of the duck, and then this is like the liver and good stuff that we're going to put into the soup. Very healthy, lots of iron. Okay, now this is the duck neck, and that'll help add a lot of richness to the stew. When I cooked a whole duck, you get the neck and the organs inside, so I saved those to make this soup the next day. Okay, so filled it up with water, added the salt, some bay leaves. We're going to simmer this low and slow, bring it to a boil, then simmer it, and everything will get nice and tender in a few hours, inshallah. Alrighty, so this soup is done. The beans really opened up quite well, and the carrots are pretty much, I'd say, at the perfect consistency. The onions really did well. There's some of the liver there, as you can see. A very savory soup. Very savory soup for a cold, rainy day. Hopefully you can try it as well. If you got some nice duck where you are. Mashaallah, tabarakallah. Look at that. The color, it's still very steamy, obviously. And when it sits overnight, obviously it'll marinate even more. Mashaallah, tabarakallah.